dropped Dave at the airport on Saturday and went out to the Cooper's Brewery to do the tour that they do there. Cooper's Brewery is I think 4th or 5th generation South Australian brewer. Got to see the brewing process. There's their manufacturing. Got to try some as well. Zero beer, I have to say, is probably not my favourite zero beer. Anyway, then I got some work done on the car suspension. We've been tweaking it to get it to ride better, both when we're towing, and the guys at the TJM site did a really good job. Took the Caravan down so we could get it all sitting right. Then I also wanted to get these mud flaps that were sitting at the front of the Caravan relocated to further under, so that when rocks are bouncing underneath the Caravan, they don't damage the suspension at the back of the Caravan. That's what a lot of the owners have been doing. So when we hit the gravel roads, it should work. But I did also get to the Hagues Chocolate Factory, so a lot of factories this week. Hagues is another multi-generational, I think 4th or 5th generation business in South Australia going back to the 1700s. They gave us a lot of good samples, which then I ran off by using this running track that's right along the Esplanade or foreshore near where I'm staying. Has some really good runs there, beautiful sunsets as you're running in there. They also have a surf club and a yacht club where you can go and have a meal, watch their boats. Wednesday's a curry night, so for $25 you get a really nice meal, and they give you a discount if you're staying next door as well. They give you a member's price. And then I checked out the coastal walk that runs further south from here. Really well built, well designed coastal walk that goes for, I think I only did about 5 kilometres or something of it, but it heads a fair way. A lot of steps and nice view. Apparently this bit of the coastline, well, it was all attached originally to Antarctica 85 million years ago, and there's some quite interesting archaeological facts around here. I think 400 million years ago or thereabouts it was all underwater, and so a lot of this is limestone. There were the little crushed sea creatures, but every night pretty much we had a spectacular sunset.